Look at this dresser. This thing I'm ready to throw away. I mean, the drawers, they're crooked, they don't go in straight. And when you go pull them out, they kind of just fall out on you. So, I was ready to throw it away, and then I found this kit. I got this kit at Home Depot. It's a repair kit for the drawers. And for my southern friends, the drawers. And let's open it up, check it out. It comes with some plastic replacement pieces, and some screws and some nails. And we'll compare the old part to the new one, and they match up pretty well. So we'll get started. We'll pull the dresser drawer out. And we'll unscrew these 3 screws with the screw gun. I'm going to save those screws. I noticed they're a little shorter than the new screws. We'll put the new piece in. I'm not going to use the new screw because it's a little too long. I think it might break through the wood on the inside. So we'll use the same old small screws. We'll put them back in. And then we'll move on to the next rail piece. We got a lot of plastic broken pieces here. We'll take this plastic piece out with the screw gun. And we'll put this other plastic piece in on the guide rail. We'll screw it down with the screwdriver. And then we'll test fit it. It's going to be a little hard to get in, gotta give it a good push. And there you go. Slides in great. Pull it out, drawer doesn't fall out on you, and it's fixed. Let's save that dresser. Now the kit also comes with some spacers to replace the old ones. I didn't end up using them, but you can if you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, think about subscribing to my YouTube channel. And click the like button, please. And leave a comment on what you liked or what you didn't like. And if you have to see it again, here's a short video recap on how to fix it.